This looks like a shirt. You're probably looking at this and thinking it's a shirt. No, I purchased this as a dress. Hi guys, welcome to my video where today I'm going to be getting rid of some of my old clothes, and hopefully in the near future I'll be replacing them with some classy business attire. Now let's get started. Looking at my closet, the first thing I see is this dress here, which still has a tag on it. Not off to a great start. Clearly, I should have practiced lifting a hanger for this video. When I first saw this dress, I thought, wow, it's pink, it's red, it's perfect for Valentine's Day. So I bought it, snatched it up right away. But then after it arrived, I was thinking, I've never been on a date for Valentine's Day. Why do I need a Valentine's Day dress? It still has a tag on it. I've never worn it. So in the donation pile she goes. This outfit I've already worn a couple of times. It kind of makes me feel like Barbie, so I think I'm gonna keep it, even though, I mean, if we're gonna be honest, I don't know if I can fit into it anymore. You guys are probably disappointed because you probably thought that I would be trying these clothes on. Well, I just ate an entire pizza, so consider yourself lucky that I'm not trying these clothes on. This is the dress that I wore when I graduated high school. Probably never gonna wear it again. Out she goes. This is the dress that I wore when I graduated university. It has a nice flowy bottom, but this one, it's staying. It's super cute. So guys, I went online and I purchased a long dress. I'm like, this is gonna be perfect for summer, right? Well, when it came, I realized it was sheer. So the genius in me thought, buy another white dress. And surprise, when it came, it's still sheer. You're probably not catching it on camera. There is a slip under there, but on me, I just don't like people seeing things. So I'm gonna have to invest in a slip, but I still haven't gotten around to that. So tops that come with a built-in choker, no. Life's already choking me enough every day. I don't need tops to do that too. Bought this, wore it once, really don't know what it goes with. It's fairly short and I currently don't have the stomach for it. And I'm probably not gonna have the stomach for it anytime soon, so this is one of those times when I realize that I can't grow into it or grow smaller to fit it, so. This I bought and never wore, and now I'm looking at it and this is supposed to be a going out top, but it looks more like a staying in bed top. And I guess that one can go too, because why not? This outfit is actually kind of a classier one, I would say. There's a crop top with it. So the shirt is very short, but I feel like the pants are very long. So it kind of balances out. This one we'll keep. See, this is what I kind of like now. Ignore what's in the back. There's a cutout at the top. It's form-fitting, but then it goes to like your knees, so you can feel free to dance the night away and not have to worry about pulling your dress down, because this I bought because it seemed cool. It's low cut, and then there's also a slit in the bottom. I realized that I am not made for something this low cut. I have started sewing in this quarantine, so I'll have to see if I can make that just a touch smaller. This is a fun yellow dress that I bought for the summer recently, and surprise, it's to the knee. This dress I bought back when I was in high school. Whoa. Compared to the other ones, you could see she's very short. Very. So it's time we say goodbye to her. This dress is also from high school. It's actually to the mid-thigh. It's not that short, but I don't like the cutouts. I don't like the mesh. I feel like that's not my taste anymore, so gone. So I actually like this, but I don't know what to do because it kind of gives me Khloe Kardashian vibes, if you know what I mean. I love her, but if you think about some of her outfits, please tell me that I'm not the only one that had a phase where every day they wore Guess zip up sweaters, but in different colors. White, red, blue. There's more, but I don't know where they are, and that's probably for the best. This one here has to stay because it's my friends, and if ever we need to go to a hockey game together, I'm ready. I don't even have to tell you that I never wore this poncho thing, whatever it is. But I can't let it go because it's so soft, so we'll just put it back. So this is out because I wanted to wear it in a video. I figured you only see the top, so it doesn't matter that it's very short. But then I realized that looking at the bow, you probably don't even want to see the top. So I think it's just time to say goodbye. And I wish I could say that I never wore that, but I actually wore it once, unfortunately. This is a kind of similar vibe to that one. So I bought this and I thought, oh my god, it's so cute, but it's kind of out there because it's tight and it's, I mean, this looks like a shirt. You're probably looking at this and thinking it's a shirt. No, I purchased this as a dress, but thankfully I never wore it because this is so short. You don't even have to lift it to use the bathroom. What was I thinking? Oh my god. Since you're focusing on the dresses that I never wore, I have a question for you guys. Does anybody have a dress that they purchased and they thought it's really out there, but you know, I'm gonna wear it sometime? This is another one of those. I purchased it, but then when I got home and came to my senses, I realized that I shouldn't have. There's cutouts all along the side, and then it is fairly short. I never wore it, so another waste of money. Faux leather jackets. What do we think, guys? Are they in or are they out? Or have they always been out? I'm pretty sure that this is only the first or second time that I'm not wearing PJ bottoms for a video, so the professionalism is real. I have about 4 blazers here. They're nothing special, just regular blazers, but I definitely need more. This one's kind of fun. This blazer I actually purchased when I was in Bosnia. Business in the front, party in the back. And that some of these things I have to realize I'm not 15 years old anymore. While this is cute and comfy, I'm not that small. Hard bullet to bite, that's for sure. So this shirt was too low cut for me. So what I did was I tied an elastic to the back of it, and then it wasn't so low cut. So just a little handy tip. And then I also have another dress. This dress was also very low cut, even though it may not look it. For me, it is. So I just tied the back with the string so it kind of pulls the straps together. This was back when I had really long hair, so I didn't really worry about anyone seeing that little lace. But now I'm gonna have to learn how to sew better or pay someone to fix that for me. Another shoelace vibe dress. It's to the knee, but what's up with me and shoelaces? This dress looks mad weird. So at the top, it's kind of loose, and then there's cutouts on the sides, and then it's probably to the cap, I would say, in terms of length. But I feel like it's not too revealing. It's still kind of classy, but not. So I think it could stay. And then in this section, I have some of the tops that I wore for my YouTube videos, so I know not to wear them again. This shirt you probably recognize from the video that you all hated on me for. So I think it's, it'll always make me laugh, so it's going back. I probably should have cleaned my closet before this video, but I figured I'm going to be cleaning it during the video, so what's the logic? Although I did get rid of a lot of jeans because I had a problem. If I ever get around to actually ironing this shirt, you may see it in an upcoming video. This shirt is actually super tiny, and believe it or not, it's my mom's. Although granted she hasn't fit into it for decades, it's gonna stay. Another one of the shirts that my mom bought, I mean, now I know where I get my weird taste from. It's a shirt with a tiger. I should probably send this to Carole Baskin. This one I'm gonna keep. Don't mind me while I just make my clothes not be inside out. This shirt I was actually gonna wear for a video, but I didn't like the vibe, or maybe I did wear it for a video and I don't remember. This is why I have that section, but clearly I don't even follow my own rules. This is it. It has another lace in the front. I didn't realize that I was that into laces on my clothes. I guess I am. I think we'll keep this. It's a cute little crop. An opportunity may come up, who knows. Now that all of the fun items have been removed from my closet, I think it's time to end the video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe.